Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Ford Focus Titanium. This car comes with the 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and while still returning a very impressive up to 80 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 14 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 20,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. This particular colour is the metallic desert island blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look aside, the theme continues. You've got the nice clean interior, the seats there are in really good shape. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, heated front seats, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card there, you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own storage nets there on the back of the front seats. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there, nice and square with a deep floor. The rear seats can be folded flat, as well as the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, and front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.